Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review the fabric cleaner. So it's a powerful suction for effective stain removal. It comes in this pretty big box and basically we can open it from the top. There we go. From here too. And this part as well. Right. So, looking at the box, it's pretty well packed actually, because it's composed of so many different parts. I would just decompose everything, get everything out, then we can review everything once. There we go. Alright, now we have pretty much all the components and it comes actually with this user manual. Let's open it up and see what we have got inside it. There we go. So, portable fabric cleaner user manual. So let's have a look. It has quite a few different pieces in here. So it has the switch, which is this one at the very top. These are different parts of the machine itself, so I'm looking at these parts actually. We have got a small brush, we have got the big brush. There is the number 9 is the hose, number 11 is the hook, number 8 is the hook for the brush, number 3 is the power cord hook, and number 12 is self-cleaning tools. Alright, so these are the brushes. So this is the small brush, big brush, and this is the hook. And there is also a cleaning material in here, removes pet stains and others. So nice. Now let's open this thing up, see what we have got inside. So let's open this as well. So I'm not actually planning to use this for pet cleaning, but rather for cleaning the carpet. And I think it would be a good product to do so. There we go. This is how it looks like. Then we have the power cord hook basically in here. Let's remove this as well. There we go. We have the brush as well. That's the small brush, like this. We have got the big brush as well. That's the big brush. And now we have everything unpacked. Let's try to assemble everything. Let's go back to the user manual. So number 1, we have to open the clean water tank and turn the cover in the anti-clockwise. So this is the clean water tank. So we need to turn it, and that's how we can open it. So what do we have in here? Alright, that's a kind of cover. And another one. I think that's for the small and the big brush. Alright, I'm not sure what is this. So now it says insert the handle and cable hook into the machine. So this is the handle in here. And that is gonna be connected like, let me just turn it around, then we can see like this, I believe. So yeah, that's how it looks like actually. Alright, now it's connected. Just needs a little bit of push and then it connects. It's a very weird sort of connection. Now we are connected. So the second one is this one in here. So we push that one in the other side, press this one, pull it down from both sides. Well, should try again. It's pretty tough, I would say. This one is pretty hard to put in. All right, there we go. So it really needs a very hard push. The last one would connect, I think, from the other side. That is from here. So, and that is gonna be from the towards the top, which means goes from here, and then we push it. Done. Then we need to connect the pipe. This is the pipe. This is the connection point, and we can press it actually. Let's put this one first back in here. Clockwise. So there we go. Now we need to actually connect this one. There we go, from here. Press it, pull it down, connect it. Perfect. And the next step is basically that's pretty much it. Then we can connect a brush, basically like this one. Pretty simple, connected like this. There is also, I'm not sure what is this one actually in here, but very easy, I think, to remove them. Alright, from here into press it, there's a button, very easy. Good quality as well. That's a big one. You can just press it, put it in, and press the button, you can take it out. Pretty cool. There we go. And the pipe can go actually through here. So we can connect it from here basically, and we can put this one back in here, and the handle, I believe, can be connected this way or something like this, or like this probably. Yeah, and that is for the power cord. So let's open up the one for the dirty water, see what we have got in there. I see some things. So this is, I'm not sure what is this one in here. So it's a kind of like filter to block it. So I see quite a lot of different things in here, probably just to remove the dirt and so on. And yeah, pretty cool actually, I would say. I think this is the button actually to press it and get the device to work. And this is the button actually where we can turn it on. Yeah. And I would connect it actually to the power. We can just give it a try, how it sounds and how it looks like. It's pretty long cable as well, which makes it very handy. Alright, now we are connected to it. Well, the machine is empty. I don't have any water inside this, just for demo, but we can try it. Pretty loud, I would say, and it generates a kind of force actually in here, because basically when you turn it on, so it will basically get the water out from the clean water. It will be injected through here as a kind of steam, I would say, with a lot of force, and this one would clean it basically, and it would suck the water back, and that would go directly to the dirty water. This is the usage of this device. Pretty strong, I would say, really strong. And yeah, let's have a look what else we have. Right, so this is where, so if you have a cleaning solution, that should be applied in here basically based on this information. And the proper usage is basically, as you can see in the picture, like this. And what else we have got? In terms of the maintenance, the water should be regularly removed, and different parts can be washed every time. Better to wash them all. And this is actually, I think I understood. So if you use the small head like this, so this is the cover actually which goes on top of it, like a kind of yeah, for the maintenance purposes. Looks like this. Pretty cool. It's pity that we don't have it for the big one, we just have for the small one. Nevertheless, quite a cool thing. Well, that was it. I hope you like it. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos on daily basis. See you in the next video. Until then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.